So the third logical operator is not. So let me copy this one. No, I'm not gonna copy this one, I'm gonna work with this one. So the third logical operator is not, and this is the symbol that is in what is this number 1. Above 1 you can actually get this symbol. You just have to press shift then 1 and you will get this. So this is a not operator. So what this will do, let me just grab everything from here. So let's have here false. Let's have the boolean value of true. So if this is true, then I should have this output, right? Okay, commenting this out. So if this is true, then I should have this output, that you are awesome. Yes, you are awesome. But when you are using this logical operator not, this changes the value. So if I just put this logical operator behind this boolean value true, where are you, damn it. So yeah, if you just write it like this, this is actually saying no, this is the value that is here will be reversed. So if I just write over here this actually means false. So this is changing the value of true and making it false. So vice versa, if this was like false, it would have been true. So this changes the value of this, the word that is associated with this symbol. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So if I just run this means false, so it is going to show me this output, no you're not. So saving this one and having no you're not output. So the same thing, you can actually use something over here. So if I just use too many brackets, if I just use b greater than 10, b greater than 10 a, this means this is true. Okay, so b is actually greater than 10, 20 is actually greater than 10, but as I used this one, I won't be seeing this output. So let's save this one, and it's still showing me no you're not. But if I give a false value over here, like b is equal to a, which is not, I can say b is equal to a like this. I can just give a false value like b b is less than a. So yeah, you are awesome. So this is false, this statement is false, b is not less than a, but this is reversing this value. So this is actually, the final output is actually true. So it's showing me the console log of here you are awesome. So this is showing you are awesome. So that's pretty much it of all the logical operator that you can probably see. You will probably see me coding in this tutorial series once in a while. Yeah, so that's about it. It's 5:04 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I'm getting sleepy again. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone take care.